What's going on, guys? This is Phil over at Sonoran Banshee. We're working on a 01 Banshee here that a client brought to us. He originally dropped it off to get the carbs cleaned. He's got some PJ 34s on there, and we pulled them apart to clean them, find out that the carbs aren't synced and the clutch was out of adjustment as well, and the chain was completely shot. We let the client know what needed to happen, and he said take care of it. And we pulled the clutch cover off to adjust the clutch. We find that the idler gear washer and C-clip have removed themselves. We put that all back together, retrieved the parts out of the motor, and get ready to put it all back together now. But it just goes to show you how lack of maintenance on these things can go from a $150 quick adjustment and tune-up to a little bit different. Unfortunately, he's got to pay the ticket on this one to get it all put back together right and tight. So remember, guys, maintenance on these things. Check your clutches, go through, change your gaskets, all the little things are wearable parts. Your idler gear is a wearable part. It needs to be changed. Your idler gear is a wearable part. All right, guys, we're gonna get this thing put back together. I'll get a couple pictures of it, and we'll get it back to the owner. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and like. What's up, guys? This is Phil over at Sonoran Banshee. We got this 01 taken care of here. We ended up having to adjust the clutch, change the chain out. The chain was beyond usable. We adjusted the clutch while we were in there, and while we were in there, we found the idler gear came loose. Took care of that, cleaned the carbs, adjusted and synced them, and put it all back together. So, go ahead and fire it up, son. Let's have a listen. This is a nice bike. It sounds that's another one for Sonoran Banshee. If you guys need any service, repairs, or builds, hit us up. We'll get you taken care of. Have a good night.